Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to download Citibank application if you are facing your device is not compatible with this version message. Okay, this message simply means that the app you are trying to install or update has a specific requirement and that your phone or tablet does not meet. Okay, the app developer has set rules and your device fall outside of those rules. If your device several year old and have no longer receive OS updates, the issue is usually permanent, and this meaning the new app simply would not work on that hardware. Okay, it means you should need to replace your device, your mobile with the latest feature. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.